Hey there, Heather Boyd here, and welcome to day 8 of the Art Bookmark Making Challenge. Be sure to check the description below to join the Facebook event page and share pictures of your beautiful bookmarks. At the end of the challenge, I'll be making a slideshow of viewers' work to be shared. Today we're making coloring page bookmarks. We're going to draw out our designs with pencil and then just trace them with our micro pen or Sharpie. I like to do them in the 2" by 6" size, which fit into the plastic sleeves. I'll link up all the materials in the description below. So this design is just a floral design, so I'm just doing some basic flowers with the leaves and then putting a little bit of detail in the leaves so people have areas to color in. I like these little flowers with the little hearts on them, with another layer of petals around the outside, and then the little leaves and details around the outside. So now I'm going to do a heart shape with some little spirals, and just put as many details as you like so people have areas to color in. And we're going to do some lines, could do rainbows, leave it sort of open-ended. People can color it in how they like. Don't do too much fine detail. People can always add detail if they want. And now we're going to use a ruler to do a border around the outside. Just try to get it even. I like these metal rulers with the cork on the back so they don't slip. And we'll just keep going with our straight lines to make the border all the way around. And from there you might want to add a little bit more detail as you see fit. Do some more lines. And then we can just look around and see where we need a little bit more detail. And you'll know when to stop. You want a nice balanced composition. And then we can put some detail in the border. Just some little zigzags. And then I decided to add a few more little flowers in the extra space. And from there, let the pen dry just a few seconds, erase the lines, and then I'm going to scan it. So I'm just going to put it on my printer scanner, and then I go to System Preferences, find my scanner, go to the scan. It's going to open up the image on my computer, and then I'm going to scan in black and white, change it to 300 dpi, change the name of the file, bookmark coloring page, and then the size you want to put to 8.5 by 11 and adjust the frame so it's centered, and then scan. So that's going to scan the image and save it as a JPEG. And then we're going to go to Canva and create a page that's 8.5 by 11. And we're going to import that image from our computer and put it on the Canva page. Fill it out to reach the borders. And then you want to edit the image to either remove the background so it's got a white background, or if you use the afterglow filter, it whites out the background. Now I'm adding a text box, and I'm just going to, I will write my name when I make these PDFs and the date, and then we're just going to change the font size, bring it to the bottom. So that's our coloring page. And from there, name your file, bookmark coloring page, and then we want to share or save that file. where I usually save it as a PDF when I want to share it and then download. So that's going to save the PDF to my computer, and then when you open the PDF you can just file it and print it. Print in black and white. Go and print it. I like to print it on this 60-pound cardstock, which just goes right in the computer. I bought that at Michael's. You can get it at Staples or on Amazon. And it'll print out our image, so you could print as many as you want and color them in. So those are all the ones I made on that one sheet. And then you can color them before you cut them out, or you can cut them out first, whatever is easiest for you. So there's our bookmarks, and then I just colored them with colored pencils. You can use markers, and there's the finished bookmark. Thanks so much for watching and for participating in the 10-day art bookmark making challenge. Be sure to share photos of your work in the Facebook event page. I'll link it up in the description below. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for lots more art videos and tutorials. And we'll see you the next time.